Before I go into this video, this my narrative. I not send you me you go put on for your channel. You personally, you know who you are. I'm not a researcher for you. You won't open YouTube channel. You go wake up in the morning, you go do your research. You go do your research. Then you go do your channel. You don't sit down and wait for people to be doing 24 hours research. Then you go carry, they put for your channel. If you like, you change the title. I don't care. I don't give you money before. I don't drag you come out of this my channel. People call me. I see the messages of my fans that told me, please, mirror true life story. This is Ash. Now, I'm warning her before the presence of everybody. Before the heavens and the earth. Before the universe. Before the mother earth. Before the sea and the river. Before every living tree that lives on this earth. Before the tree. Before the moon and the sun. Stop carrying my narrative. Whether you change the title or you not change the title, I don't care to know. Stop carrying my narrative. You, this particular person. Stop carrying my narrative. In short, cancel my channel. No use I look my channel. Don't listen to my channel. Yes, I'm talking to you. You know yourself. I don't drag you come out for here. I don't drag you. You use this my channel for Facebook. Use my voice for Facebook. Take collect money, chop money for years. But now, when I catch you, you refuse to let go. You decide to open a YouTube channel on top of my head. As I dey talk, you dey post. As I dey talk, you carry my story put for there every day. I've warned you. Even let your ancestors bear me witness. Let your father and mother bear me witness. Let your children bear me witness if you have. Let your husband bear me witness if you have. Let every spirit that is protecting you bear me witness. Don't carry my narrative. Don't come to my channel. Don't look at my video. Don't come to my channel. You, this woman, you know yourself. Avoid my channel. Avoid my channel. I've warned you. Every living thing on this earth, bear me witness. I've warned her, and I will warn you for 7 days. 7 days I will take warn you. 7 days. Stay off my narrative. Stay off my channel. Stay off my channel. I'm giving you warning. Stay off my channel. Don't carry my narrative. No carry. No carry my narrative. You, this woman, now they talk to. My fans, make una wait first. She know herself. Because as I dey post this video now, she dey rush come here. That's why I'm putting it in the first place. Make she dey here. Don't carry my narrative. Don't change the topic. I don't want you in my channel. Anything when it come out from my mouth, no carry. No carry anything when it come out from my mouth. I not send you. You are not welcome here. You are not invited. Let every living thing on this earth bear me witness. I've warned you.
Yesterday, I made a post about this woman that called me and told me that the husband infected her with HIV. Now, she called me again today. She was miserable. She was crying. She was telling me she was going to unalive herself and all that. I was confused. I didn't even know what to tell her. As a counselor, I tried to talk to her. But then I told her to calm down, chill first, that I'll give her a feedback by tomorrow, that she shouldn't do anything funny, anything stupid. Now she's confused.
Fans, una don't hear from your friend. Una don't hear from her. That your friend, now some people talk say, now he be pupu papa, no be me talk am. I know say the one why I talk, I dey tell una say from reliable source. The one where I not talk, I'll tell una say I hear from outside. So that your friend, now he don't cry, come outside. Come they talk this word. As him talk this word, now we say, because in the already, this one why I put for una so, and the part 2. The part 1, if you listen to the part 1 of the story, you will know, say, there is something going on. So, as the man come back and talk the part 2, say, this person say he won't buy herself. She want to buy herself. And we know, say, the only person where they always threaten say he won't buy herself, na Juju Ekwensu. Now we say, no, we need to do our research. As we do our research, lo and behold, the person, when he cry, go meet this man, is no other person but Juju Ekwensu. Hey! Wonder shall never end. Before I give you the full details, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. To my wonderful and amazing subscribers, I want to say thank you and God bless you. So, my lovely fans, now they say na Juju Ekwensu cry go to me this man. Why? Because kasala they go on for their house. Area don't scatter. Gbas of who is the carrier and who's the giver, they go on. Now, according to the information, Yo don't drag Juju Ekwensu loko. Say Juju Ekwensu na he put am for this condition with it. Juju Ekwensu na he give am incurable sickness. And it did not end there. He has not discovered that he has a STD, sexual transmitted disease, which is also incurable. Hey! They say men are polygamous in nature. Oh yeah, make una begin polygamous in nature. Polygamous with your STD and your incurable sickness. We dey here dey wait. But women, be wise like May Edochie and this other woman when I want talk so. So yo, they drag Juju Ekwensu. Saying they think say na only one he carry. He no know say another STD wey dey incurable. There is STD that is incurable. He no know say that one still join. They just discover her from yo. The man come weak, body come pose her. Now he come begin to threaten Juju Ekwensu. Say na Juju Ekwensu give her the STD. Now Juju Ekwensu say na lie. Say you are a flitter. Because saying they come out, they come they cover for you. Because saying they quiet, you know they talk. You are the flitter. All the women where you they sleep with, no one way they know they tell her. All the different girls who they sleep with, you they use protection. You don't go carry STD. You say na she, I give you STD. Now you using a lie. Say na Juju Ekwensu na be the queen of incurable sickness, the queen of STD. You say Juju Ekwensu the time where they date am. Say the time where they date Juju Ekwensu. He say another Nollywood actor, married man, was also dating Juju Ekwensu. Two of them, now be the main boyfriend where they know them. He said two of them, now be the main boyfriend when they know them. He said then, this man wife, can they suspect her husband. Say her husband they cheat. The woman no agree, can they sleep with her husband. So the husband can they insist. Now the woman say before they go do the Nakademus. Say make the man fair go do, make the two of them go do tests. Now the man can't look himself. The girls who in the date, they are normal. The Juju Ekwensu in the date. She's a normal person. Not knowing say somebody can have incurable sickness and physically look healthy, but inside is unhealthy. Now so they say the man match with his wife, thinking say nothing they happen. As they reach hospital, the man do test. The wife find out say, now they tell they say the wife negative, the man positive. That man now so he take carry that incurable sickness, and that man was dating Juju Ekwensu. Then you say another two actors again. Hey, women, before you sleep with any man, you see, if you are living in Nigeria, beg before you sleep with any man, when I go do test too. If now you won't pay, if the man say no won't pay, pay for the test. Then you say another two actors again for the industry. He said these two actors also, they still sleep with Juju Ekwensu. So they were dating her then. those two actors, they are also positive. So you say Juju Ekwensu is the carrier. Another reason wey make you stand the ground say na Juju Ekwensu give am. So according to you say after he and his wife gave birth to their son, their last son, he say the wife, Mie Edochie, come tell am say she no want to take pills. That pills not good for her. Maybe they use protection. He said they switched into protection. They were using protection for years. He said they one solid day, he tell me, Edochie say, he no need protection again. May they remove protection. He said now me Edochie say, they must go do tests. They not feel you remove one like that. They must go do tests. Now Amobingo say, which test? Test aside. Say me Edochie say, lie. Before they do anything, they must do all the tests. STD, incurable, everything they will do the test. He said, now I can't tell me Edochie say, okay, he go do test. He said, me Edochie go do her own. He said, this woman don't have anything. No incurable sickness. No STD, nothing. This woman was clean. He said, so, if he reach us, if he tell your wife, say me they do, the wife will bring protection. He said, you never bring your test. He tell you, say me they go do test. He don't do it, you can see your own. Show me your own. Wonder shall never end. So, according to you say, he not still do the test until he and Juju Ekwensu come dey get one kind strange illness. The same thing come dey do them. Now he come go hospital. As he reach hospital, I find out say he get that sickness. He's a carrier. He's a positive. As he reach hospital, now they come tell am say na positive na be. Juju Ekwensu the same thing, positive. So according to you say after he do that thing, he also did the STD because doctor tell us may do STD, may they control everything. They controlled everything for him before they started giving him medicine where they take. He say he no get STD. Not only that, positive for incurable sickness, which he believes say na Juju Ekwensu give am, because every man that slept with her, all of them get that sickness. The ones who not protect themselves like her, they get the sickness. Now know say this thing, this lover don't forgive us. Kitchen juice don't tell us. A lot of people say, oh, it's not true, it's not true. So, my people, now, according to you, he said Juju Ekwensu then, he tell Juju Ekwensu say me do STD. Oh, he said Juju Ekwensu say ain't go do. He said Juju Ekwensu, the same Juju Ekwensu, when he tell am say he just discover say he just get the sickness, the same Juju Ekwensu, the medicine when they give her, that medicine Juju Ekwensu don't fair they take her. Juju Ekwensu don't fair they take that medicine. Right now, according to you, he said this sickness join wetin make Juju Ekwensu and Juju Ekwensu ended up together. Because at this point, they have no choice. He gets, she gets. He says so, if he leave Juju Ekwensu go bring the narrative out. Say you give her sickness. They get this, which is not presentable for him as an actor. But unknowing to you say, just lover and cutie juice one day, they go expose her. Now, according to you, he say he now find out that he have another STD. When they say don't dey inside body for a very long time, the thing don't they chop her, they go. Now wow, my people, wonder shall never end. Men are polygamous in nature. Oh yeah, make una come carry una STD and una incurable sickness as a gift for being polygamous in nature. Now you provoke that STD don't chop am. You say he did this STD on them back then when they tell am say he get that sickness. They tell am say STD will not help you as an incurable sickness patient. You need to be very careful of STD, which he has been. Now, he was surprised to find out that the STD is in him. And who gave him is no other person but Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu say na lie. Say na you. I give himself for all the different women when he dey sleep with. Now kasala don burst. Kasala don burst, area don scatter. You don't provoke. And Juju Ekwensu this period, things are not going well because of this sickness where they go on. Now Juju Ekwensu take cry. Take go meet this yo friend. As he cry, go meet your friend. Now he tell you your friend say, see what they happen. No? Now this friend come out. They tell people say, see what is happening between husband and wife. And the woman find out that the man give him what will you say? If you listen to the part 1 of the story where the man talk, you will not say you will not say that Juju Ekwensu they talk to. Now Juju Ekwensu they say she want to buy herself. She want to buy herself. Say now you give her. She stand her ground say now you give her that that incurable sickness with STD. Meanwhile you say now Juju Ekwensu I give her. This is the kasala when he dey ground now. So right now you don't provoke. He said Juju Ekwensu continue to share unnecessary sickness they give her. Now relationship he enter. He no enter for RIP. Only you want enter you carry incurable sickness. Now from incurable sickness, another STD will not get cure. Now medicine go still they take. Now medicine go they take all in life. Go in suru masi mami water. Now medicine go they take. They say you don't live for neko. The man don't they think a life. He don't they think a life. You say he cannot be the one that give Juju Ekwensu. All these things were not in him. Not be the thing they born his son. Not be it born his son. When he born a last son, his son was okay. He and his wife they meet together natural. The wife get belle natural. They born that boy. They were okay. His ex-wife was free from all these things. If his ex-wife was free, then who you think say give her? And the kasala dey ground now. And Juju Ekwensu on the other side say she go buy herself. Say you no fit on the dragon. You has been avoiding to Nakademos Juju Ekwensu. They avoid her. No one Nakademos her. He say no one carry another one. Now Juju Ekwensu say she go buy herself. She dey threaten her say she go buy. Because you have stopped making love to her. You say no they do again. You know they knock him again. He don't fit carry another STD. He don't carry too much thing from Juju Ekwensu. People they go into relationship. They carry good things they come. You incurable sickness and disease. Now you go they carry. Curable sickness and disease where they take time and down. When they take make them become person wey not fit make your own choice. Now no say Juju Ekwensu they always they talk. I will come out and talk. This is part of the thing where they take the threatening yo. It's already out on the media. Those things when it take they get power over yo. This is one of them. I will talk. After all, now you be the actor. Now you they go laugh. Chai, my people. Things they happen. Oh. Hey, if you know, you know. Hey. They say that the kasala when they ground down. You don't carry incurable STD. Join incurable sickness. Make all these people not go buy. Hope golden fish. Hope that one they use protection. Make una they use protection. Now they protect on herself. All these people are untrustable. You see them looking healthy outside. Inside, don't scatter. Virus don't scatter them for inside finish. One dash shall never end, my lovely fans. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.